International Day of Peaceful Coexistence, 28th January. Look at these pictures. Peaceful coexistence. A detail going on. The International Day of Peaceful Coexistence is a newly established United Nations observance celebrated every year on January 28. It was officially proclaimed by the United Nations General Assembly on March 2025 following a resolution headed by the Kingdom of Bahrain. Purpose and significance. The day is designed to encourage the international community to move beyond just the absence of war and actively foster a culture of harmony. Its core goal include promote tolerance, encouraging respect for religious, cultural and social diversity, human rights, reforming the commitment to the justice and rights that make coexistence possible. Goal solidarity invites countries, media, and civil society to participate in activity that build bridge between different civilizations. Origin and history. The initiative was led by Bahrain, specifically through the King Hamad Global Center for Peaceful Coexistence. And supported by over 160 nations, it reflects a modern diplomatic effort to treat peaceful coexistence as a fundamental necessity for sustainable development rather than just a political theory. How it differ from other days? You might occasionally see this confused with other peace related observances, but they have different focuses. International Day of Living Together in Peace, May 16, focus on local community harmony and inclusion. International Day of Peace, September 21, known as Peace Day, focused on global ceasefires and nonviolence. Data Privacy Day, January 28, coincidentally, Jan 28 also the long standing date for a Data Privacy Day and International Lugo Day. Make it a busy day for global observance. Thank you. Have a nice day.